Hi everyone, it's Simon Keeling here at sailingweather.co.uk and the Sailing Weather Information Service weatherweb.net. Thanks again for watching. It is Monday the 14th of July and this is your sailing week and week ahead outlook. And today we've got low pressure that's moving its way into the west of Scotland just at the moment. So winds are strengthening around that low, bringing probably southwesterlies at 6s and 8s across western Scotland. Across eastern parts of England, we're generally southwesterlies at 3s and 4s, but picking up to a 4 later on. Through the Channel, west southwesterlies, probably getting up to around a 4, but for southwestern coast, southwesterlies around a 5. On Tuesday, this front is clearing its way southeastwards, taking some cloud and some spots of rain with it as it does so. However, following in behind, we've got a ridge of high pressure, and that will be bringing some fair weather, and we should find some good sunny spells developing with that as well. The winds through the Channel generally are going to be in a southwesterly direction, blowing at around a 2, but up to a 3 though in the west. Through the Irish Sea, southwesterlies at 3s, perhaps just nudging a 4 across Southern Ireland. Western Scotland, we're westerlies here at around a 4. Northern Scotland, westerly at 4 or 5. Eastern parts of Scotland, westerlies at 4, and Eastern England, we're westerlies here at 2s and 3s. And generally it looks like being a fair day for most. On to Wednesday, high pressure centred off towards the east. Still got a ridge across us, as you can see. I think for most areas it looks as if it should be a pleasant day across England and Wales. Through the Channel, generally, the winds across the southern English coast, I think, coming in as a southwesterly, starting off as a 2, but then sea breezes forming in the afternoon, lifting up to 3s and locally 4s. The French coast, probably northeasterly at a 2 at first, but then becoming a 4 in the sea breezes. Through the Irish Sea, with southwesterlies, a 3 in the south, a 4 in the north, and perhaps just knocking a 5 through southwestern parts of Scotland. Becoming cyclonic in western Scotland as that little low moves through 3s and 4s here. Eastern parts of Scotland, southwesterly 4, eastern parts of England, southwesterly at 4, but locally a 5 offshore. Thursday then, and for Thursday higher pressure is building out towards the east, and we've got another little ridge down towards the south. The flow generally turning into a south or southeasterly direction, easterly through the Channel, and notice this area of rainfall here. This is an area of thundery rain which is going to develop and move its way northwards during the course of Thursday. It's going to reduce visibility through the Channel and will bring lots of murk to many southern and western areas, but I can't rule out the risk of some mist and fog just about anywhere on Thursday. So the winds then for Thursday, we're coming in as an east-southeasterly, blowing at around a 4. Might well touch a 5 across southeastern parts of England. Through the Irish Sea, we're easterly here at 4. Through western Scotland, becoming a southerly here at around a 4. And for eastern Scotland, southerly 4s as well. Eastern parts of England, southeasterlies at 4s, but remember what I said about that reducing visibility, becoming moderate to poor as that rain arrives, and the fronts across northern and western Scotland and also Western Ireland bringing some rain here too. And then on Friday we've got a warm front moving its way northwards during the course of Friday. It brings murk again, I think, across many southern and western parts of the country. Visibility reduced to moderate to poor at times. More persistent rain affecting the west of Ireland, and that's where we're going to be finding the strongest of the winds as well. So through the Channel then, I think generally a southerly at a 2 or a 3, but remember the moderate to poor visibility. Southern parts of Ireland, southerly here at around a 4, but Western Ireland, I think, southerlies at a 4, possibly touching a 5. Through the Irish Sea, we're southwesterlies here at 4s. Western Scotland, I think we're southeasterlies at a 4 or a 5. Eastern Scotland, southeasterly at a 5, and eastern parts of England, I think southeasterlies at 4s. And remember, just a murky day, some outbreaks of rain here and there, but actually probably drier across southern coasts of England, out of the mist and any fog patches. And then Saturday, well, looking all a bit of a mess for Saturday. Low pressure settling across Ireland during the course of Saturday. These fronts clearing their way eastwards, taking cloud and some outbreaks of rain with them as they go. I think generally we're going to be finding the winds coming in from a west-southwesterly direction at 3s through the Channel. Southwesterlies at 4s in the Irish Sea. Southeasterly at around a 4, possibly touching a 5 for western Scotland, southeasterlies at 5s across eastern Scotland, and southeasterlies at 3s or 4s in eastern England. Now again, I do think that we're going to have a problem with visibility down these eastern and southern coasts, being moderate to poor at times, and becoming moderate to poor in showers out in the west, although a general improvement through more western areas. Very gusty in those showers as well, which will be thundery at times. And then for your sailing for Sunday, well, the flow hinted at going round into more of a west and northwesterly direction. Again, showers are likely, and I do think these eastern coasts could be seeing moderate to poor visibility at times once again. The winds during the course of Sunday, I think generally are westerly through the channel at around a 4. Could touch a 5 in the west. The Irish Sea west northwesterlies at 4s. Again, it could just touch a low end of a 5. For western Scotland, we're west northwesterlies at 4s. Eastern Scotland, westerlies at around a 4. And eastern England, westerly at 3 or 4. So there we are. Now, don't forget, you can get forecasts updated all the way through the day for the coast of the UK, Ireland, France, Spain, Portugal, into the Mediterranean, and also the Baltic by going to sailingweather.co.uk. And also, you can now get forecasts emailed to you at a time of your choosing at either 7 o'clock in the morning, 1 o'clock in the afternoon, and 7 o'clock in the evening. So go and have a look at the website, get yourself set up on the email service, and you can start receiving our forecasts directly by email. Please do tell your clubs and your marinas about us. Let them know what we're doing and spread the word amongst your sailing colleagues. But for now, whatever you're doing, have a great day. Thanks for watching and keep the sun shining. Bye for now.